see sports here go and still in a charge. That's why I worry about cool out in a bad man.
You see when the youth them happy and a laugh and a run up and down, your face nice, youth.
You mean?
You know star.
Good look, yo.
Never lie, man.
Yo, it is a serious thing you tell me about, brother.
That's why them call him ranking.
Sure know, man full of craft, dog.
Like 2 of them get slapped with my dog.
Clean, clean.
Yo, I want to tell you, so now only police now to patrol the place here then.
For real, cause I don't see none when me a forward either, you know, cuz.
Yo, somebody there early, you know, brother. I want to tell you, so the boy them kick off all my neighbor door early this morning, you know, brother. But them push out still.
Yo, the man them say it look like jungle justice. So them not too business.
For real, cause if at one time whole a boy you get dick dog in a bad man.
The man them get slapped in a whole house with boy, he eat goat and some chicken.
Chicken?
What? So boy them are some petty thief.
No.
Jaja, so go on.
You see it, butcher?
Yes, sir, yeah.
That's why I'm showing you say man full of craft, brother.
Yo, my last. How go on, brother?
Yo, as far as me see it, ranking stage, the whole thing vicious.
Stage it.
Yeah, man, after I'm go turn over the boy them. Now the house, him carry some goat and fowl, go put in there to make them look like teeth.
Oh, yes, sir, it is. Yo, you know, say police them now go look upon this as a gang violence, brother.
Them a go look on it like jungle justice, you see it? Now over's no bad man. You know say that's smart though.
Report. And this the news, say, brother. 2 men who seems to have stolen goats and chicken were chopped and killed in an abandoned building in a Spanish town. Alright, that's up.
So the man even wears a bullet, brother.
That are the all-time ranking style, you hear that?
Yeah, and that you call badness with purpose, brother.
So you say, him don't know nobody at all named Sean?
No, he only know the artist name when named Sean.
So that means say, the name Sean connect to you some other way then. Alright. You can link your mother and ask her, you know?
Yeah, and she alone left for my ask. So Patsy not send it out here yet?
I know she not say nothing to me. I wonder if that have something to do with me. Never talk to her. I hear what she says, but I'm not gonna ask her about the name.
Alright, if she mention the name again, just let me know. Guess who can look for me?
Oh,
El Sabo can look for me.
so where am I going with?
Him alright, you know? Him just say him that stop by for have a drink.
Oh, that not bad. So, am I alright otherwise?
Why I ask that? I two bubbles gone though. I can't say same miss her, but otherwise him good.
I expect him good, man. I want savage, you know. I never two. But later when I go home, I will see Patsy and I will make you know what I'm going tomorrow, here.
Alright.
Yes. So, food time.